What's up guys, this is Laser Monkey, and today I have the world's largest mass-produced 3x3. At 18 centimeters across, this thing is about 30 times bigger than a regular 3x3. So as you might have guessed, this thing does actually turn, so let's check it out. Out of the box, the turning is very dry. It does make a very scratchy sound, which some people would like and some people wouldn't like. So now let's take a look at the mechanism. So it's just a 3x3, so we should just be able to pop out a piece. I'm gonna use my unboxing knife. There we go. So here it is. This is an edge piece. Check it out. And here is a corner piece. This is the inside of the cube. As you can see, the core is massive. So that's about it for this quick video on the world's largest mass-produced 3x3. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. This is Laser Monkey, out!